used car prices. Why are they so high? Is it because of all of this money that the government's making available, and is it because we are near zero interest rates? I mean, what's your take on that?
I think it's more supply and demand. I think we've seen, apart from the month of June, where we saw a big uptake in new car sales to take advantage of the instant asset write-off. The remaining period from April onwards has seen a significant slump in car sales. The flip side of that, obviously, is that for most cars that get purchased as a trade-in, and there simply have not been a lot of trade-ins coming through the system, and most of the car auctions have had very, very significantly reduced volumes. And if you're a used car dealer, for example, you've got to stock your yard. You can't just have no cars, and that's been a big factor in driving car and some truck prices, and also some yellow prices as well.
Paul, I mean, that's sort of at the micro level. If we're talking about used car prices, you've just done some research into business valuations. I mean, I've certainly known. I mean, the little bit of looking around and people that I speak to in the M&A markets, mergers and acquisition markets, is that business valuations are very high. I mean, certainly anyone who thought 6 months ago when COVID hit that they were going to be snapping up bargains, that's not happening. So are some of these things that you were talking about a bit earlier about zero interest rates and the measures that the RBA taking, are they impacting business valuations, do you think?
Yeah, I think we can't avoid the role that interest rates play in valuing equity. And that's what we're talking about when we're talking about business valuations, is valuing the shares of a business. We are looking at some historic high levels of valuation in terms of price earnings. There's another interesting measure, which is called the Buffett indicator. Warren Buffett likes a measure where he measures the market based on the value of the total market capitalisation divided by GDP of a country to get a country-specific measure. And also against that measure, the market looks overvalued